A beautiful tale of unity. Once upon a time, a wise and compassionate elephant named Oscar lived in a serene forest. Oscar possessed a deep sense of consciousness and an extraordinary ability to communicate with all creatures. He often ventured into the heart of the jungle, engaging in profound conversations with the animals that called it home. In the dense undergrowth, Oscar encountered Maya, a mischievous monkey known for her playful antics. Maya was fascinated by the concept of oneness and longed to experience the interconnectedness of all beings. Oscar, recognizing Maya's curiosity, decided to be her guide on this transformative journey. Together, they ventured into the lush wilderness, meeting a family of graceful deer. The deer, led by their wise matriarch, shared tales of unity and the collective consciousness that flowed through their graceful movements. Oscar and Maya listened intently, absorbing the wisdom these gentle creatures had to offer. Further on their path, they encountered a tribe of chattering birds. The birds' enchanting songs spoke of the harmony that resided within their synchronized flight patterns. Oscar explained that each bird played its part, contributing to the symphony of life, just as every being has a unique role in the grand tapestry of existence. Oscar and Maya then stumbled upon a pack of wolves, whose piercing howls echoed through the night. They reveled in the understanding that unity is not limited to creatures of the same kind. Next, they encountered a colony of ants working tirelessly to build intricate tunnels. The tiny creatures displayed remarkable teamwork, and each ant contributed selflessly for the greater good. Oscar and Maya marveled at the ants' unwavering dedication and realized that even the tiniest of beings could exemplify the spirit of oneness. Deep in the forest's heart, they stumbled upon a serene lake, where they met a wise old turtle named Akash. Akash had seen the ebb and flow of countless generations and possessed profound insights into the nature of existence. He shared the secret of true oneness, the recognition that consciousness pervades all life, and each being is a manifestation of the same divine essence. Inspired by Akash's wisdom, Oscar and Maya returned to their forest home, transformed by their encounters with the creatures of the wild. They began spreading the message of unity and consciousness among their animal friends, creating a ripple effect extending far beyond their beloved forest's borders. Animals of all shapes and sizes started to recognize the inherent oneness that connected them. They embraced their shared consciousness and forged alliances, transcending the boundaries that once separated them. The forest thrived as the animals worked together, nurturing their habitat and fostering a harmonious existence. As the tale of Oscar, Maya, and their enlightened friends spread throughout the world, humans began to listen and learn. They, too, started to awaken to the profound truth of interconnectedness, realizing that they were not separate from nature but an integral part of it. And so, the awakening of consciousness and oneness became a guiding light, illuminating the path toward a more harmonious world, where humans and animals coexisted in harmony, honoring the sacred bond that unites all beings in the tapestry of life. A way to become more aware of consciousness is the practice of meditation. You can visit the link in the description for additional information on meditation. Thanks for watching.